Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Olivia and today I'm going to be doing a clean with me, but today's clean with me is going to be a little different and it's going to be a guest prep clean with me. So this is just everything that I'm doing before my friend comes and visits and stays with us for 2 weeks. So I have some traditional clean with me kind of routine, but I also picked some wildflowers and I made some bouquets and then kind of put together this guest room tray, which I think is perfect for any guest situation. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you like it. So the first thing that I'm doing is just washing all the bedding in the guest room. Even if I've washed it before and no one has slept in this bed, I always just like to wash it a day or two before the guests arrive, especially because my cat tends to sleep on this bed. I just think it's best to just wash it regardless of if I washed it a week ago or not. So I'm just removing all the layers, so the comforter cover, sheets, pillowcases, all that kind of stuff. And then I'm gonna take this Glade fabric refresher. It's kind of like Febreze, and it's just to make the things that I don't wash, like the comforter and pillows, smell a little fresher. And then when it comes to washing bedding, I like to just add some scent pods, the Tide detergent, and then I also like to add baking soda and vinegar. That just acts as a natural fabric softener and makes the sheets really nice and soft. And then I'm just taking these Kirkland wet wipes and Method heavy degreaser, which I talk about so much on my channel, and just wiping down all the surfaces. So that includes dresser, all the table surfaces, just getting everything nice and clean. And then if you're like me, you probably have some personal items in the guest room, especially living in a smaller house. We do have to utilize the storage in the guest room. So I'm just removing everything that was ours in there and just getting it ready for my friend. And then I'm just dusting everything. I feel like especially a space that hasn't been used a lot collects a lot of dust. And I think that's just something that shows if a place is clean or not, is just getting rid of the dust. In the guest room, I always make sure to have a couple spare towels, tissues, a trash can, and extra blankets. So I love the idea of having fresh flowers in the house, and especially when guests come, I love having them in the bedroom for them when they get here. So I actually decided to go get some wildflowers that were in the back alleyway near our house. So there's tons of beautiful flowers out right now, and I decided to pick some and make some bouquets out of it. So I just went out with some gardening scissors and just cut a bunch of flowers, and now I'm just arranging them for what type of flower, and that way I can start organizing them and putting them in bouquets. So I'm really happy how the bouquets turned out. I think that they're just so beautiful in the color combination, and the different types of flowers are very unique and definitely something that you couldn't pick up in the store. So not only did I save money with not having to go out and buy fresh flowers, but it just looks so much better in my opinion, and is definitely unique and adds a pop of color throughout my home. So now I'm putting together this guest room basket, which I think is a super nice idea. You can get tons of inspiration on Pinterest, but I just picked up a basket from a thrift store, and then I put in the bouquet, some candles, some chocolate, sleeping aid pills because we're in Australia and jet lag is real, some fruit, but you can also add some like water bottles, some other snacks, and the Wi-Fi password. So I think that this guest room basket is a great touch to add to any guest room and will truly make your guest feel really welcome and at home. If you have a guest bathroom or you just have one bathroom in your house that the guests will be using, I always make sure to deep clean the bathroom. I do this regardless if guests are staying the night or just coming over for dinner or games, but I just like to wipe down everything. But this time, especially because she'll be using the shower and getting into the cabinets and stuff, I made sure to do a really big deep clean. So normally I use just my Method bathroom cleaner, which works really well. But I'm also using this like mold away bleach product that is super strong, and I hate using it because it's so strong and filled with chemicals, but it does the job, and today I'm doing a really deep clean. So I don't use this product all the time, but it's really good for a deep clean, and that's what I was going for with this bathroom cleaning routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this guest prep cleaning routine. Let me know what are your go-tos when it comes to having guests stay over your house. I absolutely love having people stay over our house, and I'm so excited to have more people come and visit us in Australia. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I do tons of cleaning, organization, home stuff, and then I also have a blog, which is my travel blog, so check that out in the links down below for all that information. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have an awesome day.